So today we will continue our chapter 10, that is motion and measurement of distances. We have read what is motion, how we can measure distances. Okay? So there are some units. For example, we can measure length of anything. By using term centimeter, meter. Okay? And how much distance we covered when we travel from home to school. So we can measure that distance in kilometer. ठीक है, so this is how we can measure distance. There are some steps we have read, we will read activity 1 and activity 2 and observe that how we can measure different things. ठीक है, so stand up Anshika, start reading the chapter and 97.
Hello, now when measured with the new set of gilli and danda, the desk length seems
In the previous class we have read that how we can measure the length of desk by using gilli and danda. If you see figure 10.2, okay, so in this figure it is given that they are measuring length of desk with gilli and danda. So they use 2 danda and 2 gilli to measure the length of desk in this figure. Okay, but if you see in this figure 10.3, so they use गिल्ली एंड टू डंडा एंड 1 गिल्ली. ठीक है, इट मीन्स जो यहाँ पे आपकी गिल्ली ये डंडा है ये शॉर्टर लेंथ में होगा, छोटा लेंथ होगा इसका. इसमें क्या हो, इसने बड़े लेंथ का यूज किया. बट दे गॉट कंफ्यूजन दैट हाउ वी कैन मेजर लेंथ ऑफ डेस्क, because if you measure length of desk by using gilli and danda, they are different size of gilli and danda are present. ठीक है, अलग अलग साइज से प्रेजेंट है. मीन्स इसमें इसने 2 गिल्ली यूज किए, 2 डंडा यूज किया. नीचे वाले में इसने 1 गिल्ली और 2 डंडे यूज किए. तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि हम लेंथ कैसे मेजर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो इससे क्या हो जाएगी, दे गॉट कंफ्यूजन. वो कंफ्यूज हो गए कि अब हम ऐसे कैसे मेजर कर सकते हैं. ऐसे करेंगे तो सारे का डिस्टेंस, सारे का लेंथ जो होगा मेजरमेंट वो डिफरेंट आएगा. ठीक है, सो
मैम हम लोग समझ में नहीं, मैम उसने तो एक ही गिल्ली यूज की ना.
हाँ, एक ही यूज की, बट दे डोंट नो हाउ व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस डेस्क. बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड दे गॉट कंफ्यूजन that how we can measure length of desk by using गिल्ली and डंडा. क्योंकि गिल्ली अगर डंडा बड़ा ले तो एक डंडे में ही पूरा हो जाएगा, गिल्ली ना यूज करें ना. It is possible, it is also possible. So next thing they what they do, they just use see this line. What would you suggest Paheli and Bujo do to measure the length of whole desk? Now what would you suggest how they can measure the length of desk?
Same problem.
Can you suggest something?
Ma'am.
He said this question said that what would you suggest Paheli and Bujo do to measure the length of whole desk? How they can measure length of whole desk? Can you suggest anything?
By using only the ruler method.
Yes, Bihan. Nowadays we are using ruler, we are using tape. जो टेप आता है इंची टेप जिसे कहते हैं. ठीक है, so we can measure it. But at earlier time we don't have any rulers, anything to measure the length of desk or anything else. Yes. So can they use a cricket wicket and balls to measure the length, or do you think that this might create a similar problem? Now the question is that if they use cricket wicket and balls, just like it is just similar to gilli and danda. ठीक है, so is it possible to measure the correct length of the desk?
मैम बॉल राउंड होती है.
Yes. ठीक है, so this might create a similar problem. Same problem करेगी जैसे में गिल्ली डंडा में मिला था, वही चीज विकेट और बॉल्स में मिलेगी. ठीक है, they don't get accurate result, accurate length of desk. So now they use a string. ठीक है, string देखो, see this figure 10.4. measuring the length of the desk with string length. अब इसने string लिया, धागा लिया. ठीक है, and now they start measuring the length of desk. ठीक है. If the desk is shorter than the length of string, means अगर desk आपका इतना बड़ा है तो इतनी बड़ी string आप यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. ठीक है. But if the desk, अब इतना स्पेस बचा, इस desk के इतना स्पेस बचा, इसको मेजर करना है. ठीक है. तो what we can do, we just fold this string into half part. ठीक है. अब जैसे आपने string लिया, yes, suppose this is a desk. ठीक है. This is a desk. If you are using a string to measure the length of the desk, ठीक है, तो string आपका कितना बड़ा होगा, सिर्फ इतना बड़ा है. ठीक है. The size of string is this. ठीक है. So now we have to measure this part. अब हमें ये part measure करना है, and we know the size of desk is small than the size of a string. Means जो desk की size है वो क्या है आपकी, छोटी है string के कंपेरिजन में. string तो बड़ी है ना, इतना कवर करेगा, तो इतना तो है नहीं स्पेस. ठीक है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, we just fold the string into 2 equal halves. आप क्या कर दोगे, string को fold कर दोगे तो इतने में आपका ये कवर हो जाएगा. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So here it is written that we just fold the string and mark it into half. It is just similar to we are folding the paper into 2 equal half. अगर आप कोई पेपर लेते हो, suppose
we get the half part of the desk.
this paper, suppose this is a string. ठीक है. If you use this paper to measure the length of a string, तो आप ऐसे ही measure कर लोगे. ठीक है. At last क्या हो जाएगा, at last आपका
मैम स्ट्रिंग होती बड़ी होती है.
ठीक है. इतना मेजर किया, फिर इतना मेजर, नाउ दिस पार्ट इज लेफ्ट. ठीक है. अब छोटा सा पार्ट लेफ्ट हो गया, बच गया ना. ये पेपर यूज किया मैंने, सपोज दिस इज अ स्ट्रिंग. ठीक है. इतना मेजर हुआ, इतना मेजर, नाउ दिस पार्ट इज लेफ्ट, so this is a small part. फिर we just fold this string, we just fold the string just like I am folding this paper. ठीक है. तो हम इसे फोल्ड कर देंगे, तो हम इसे मेजर कर लेंगे इजिली. ठीक है. नाउ दिस पेपर क्या हो गया, इफ यू फोल्ड दिस पेपर so it is divided into 2 equal halves. देखो 2 equal half मतलब 1/2 parts. You have read fraction in math.
1/2 हो गया.
ठीक है. so 1/2 parts हो गया. Again if you fold this paper into 1/4, it's 1/4, and अगर फिर से fold करें 1/8. ठीक है. This is how we can measure the length of desk by using a string. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So Bhuj would do the same process. ठीक है, to measure the length of desk by using a string. So there are so many occasions when we come across a need to measure length and distances. ठीक है. आप आपके बहुत से occasions होते हैं where we have to measure the length and distances. Suppose tailors measure the length of cloth. ठीक है. You know tailor
मैम वो टेलर बड़ी
and same if tailor wants to stitch kurta, so they measure the length of cloth, you know if it is enough or not. ठीक है. कि वो उतना जितना कपड़ा है उतने का कुर्ता बन जाएगा कि नहीं. ठीक है. तो similarly carpenter also measure the height and width of cupboard. ठीक है. Carpenter also needs to measure the height and length of the desk. ठीक है. desk बनाए, टेबल जिससे आप बैठे हो, you are sitting on the desk. ठीक है. we are using table. So the carpenter needs to measure the height and width of cupboard, table, desk, anything else. ठीक है. etc. And farmer needs to know the length and breadth or area of his land to know the how much seeds he can sow and how much water would be needed for his crop. So farmers also needs to measure the length and breadth of his field. ठीक है. So that how much water is required for his crops, how much seeds are required. ठीक है. So that's why they need to measure the length and breadth of his field. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Suppose you are asked how tall you are, so you want to tell the length of a straight line from top of your head to heel of your foot. ठीक है. If I ask how much how tall you are. So you said that ma'am I am 5 centimeter, 5 feet. ठीक है, 6 feet. आप इसे बताओगे ना, ठीक है, ऐसे बताओगे. फीट हो गया, इंच हो गया, उसमें बताओगे 5 feet 6 inch. नो नो, इट्स नॉट सेंटीमीटर. फीट बोलोगे आप उसमें, ठीक है, हाइट बताने के लिए. सो हाउ यू कैन मेजर योर लेंथ, योर टॉल. We can measure our
feet to head.
feet.
Feet to head.
2.5 inch. ठीक है. So you have to measure how long is this room, how wide is this desk. These are the question you can ask from you. ठीक है. So all these question have one thing in common. ठीक है, इन सारे क्वेश्चन में एक चीज कॉमन है, दैट इज वी हैव टू मेजर द डिस्टेंस एंड देयर इज अ सिंगल यूनिट टू मेजर द डिस्टेंस. ठीक है, सिंगल यूनिट होती है लेंथ के लिए सेंटीमीटर, मीटर. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस के लिए किलोमीटर, हाउ मच डिस्टेंस वी ट्रेवल फ्रॉम होम टू स्कूल. ठीक है, किलोमीटर. वॉल्यूम के लिए मीटर क्यूब यूज करते हैं, लीटर यूज करते हैं, पता है आपको ना. मिल्क लेते हो, ऑयल लेते हो, उसके लिए लीटर यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. सो नाउ कम टू एक्टिविटी 1. बुद्धता राजकमल, read activity 1.
Work in the groups and each of you do these activity on one by one using your foot as a unit of length. Measure the length and breadth of the classroom. It is possible that while measuring this you may find some parts remaining to be measured as it is similar than your foot.
Rajkamal, it's
Yes,
smaller.
ma'am.
It's smaller, not similar.
Yes, ma'am. Smaller than your foot. Use a string to measure the length of a part of your foot as you did before.
बेटा, read the chapter carefully. It's your, not your. ठीक है, it's your foot as you did before. ठीक है.
Record your observations in table 10.1.
Okay. Now what is given in activity 1? See the table 10.1. Measuring length and breadth of classroom. You have to measure length and breadth of classroom by using your foot. ठीक है, फुट का यूज करके उसकी लेंथ बताओगे कितना लंबा है एंड विड्थ बताओ कितना चौड़ा है. ठीक है. एंड इफ यू आर नॉट कमिंग टू स्कूल यू कैन मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ योर रूम. कंसीडर ओनली सिंगल रूम एंड मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ योर रूम और क्लासरूम. ठीक है. इफ यू आर कमिंग टू स्कूल जस्ट मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ क्लासरूम. आप वहां से यहाँ तक ट्रेवल करो, लेंथ पता चल जाएगी. यहाँ से वहां तक यू कैन गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ विड्थ ऑफ द क्लासरूम. Okay, accurate result of the weight of class. So you can do it. हाँ, by using your foot.
हमने वहाँ पे फुट रखा तो इधर फुट रखा तो मैम 1 4 2
हाँ, 1 2 3 4 ऐसे. ठीक है. So you have to do fill this table 10.1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you are coming to school, so measure the length and breadth of the classroom. If you are not coming to school, so measure the length of and breadth of your room. ठीक है. So write the name of students. You can take help from your siblings. You can take help from your classmates. ठीक है. क्लासरूम में आप क्लासमेट्स की हेल्प ले लो, घर पे आप सिबलिंग्स की हेल्प ले लो. ठीक है. पेरेंट्स की हेल्प ले लो कि मम्मी आप चलो या भाई बहनों आप चल के दिखाओ कितना.
डिफरेंट आएगा ना अगर हम मेजर करेंगे तो.
This is your homework that you have to do this table 10.1. Now come to activity 2. Arif, better start reading. Arif.
Work in a group and each of you use your handspan as a unit to measure the width of a table or a desk in the classroom. Figure 10.5. Measuring the width of a table with a handspan. Here too you may find that you need string lengths equal to your handspan and then sections of this string length to make the measurement. Record all observations in table 10.2. We see that measurement means the comparison of an unknown quantity with some known quantity. This is known fixed quantity.
See figure 10.5. ठीक है. So see activity 2. If you see this figure 10.5, they are measuring the width of table with a hand span. Hand span आप लोगों को पता है इस तरह से. First and finger, thumb and last finger. We are using this. ये चीज यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. We can measure the length of desk by using our hand span. ठीक है. इस तरह से आपने measure किया, फिर यहाँ पे आया, फिर ऐसे measure किया. Is it clear?
This is 6 hands.
ठीक है.
If
Five.
means 5 hand span. ठीक है. A string to measure the length of desk. If a small portion is left, means देखो इसने measure किया, आपका 1 hand span हो गया, then measure किया, इसमें देखो बाहर जा रहा है. ठीक है. Means it's a small portion of desk and our hand span उसमें क्या हो रहा है, फुलफिल नहीं है कि वो पूरा measure कर ले. तो we use a string to measure the length of desk. ठीक है. You have to record all the observation and fill this table 10.2. Measuring width of table. Who measured the width of table? You have to tell mention the name. ठीक है. And number of hand span. Number of hand span, is it 5, 4, 3, anything? So you can fill this table 10.2. Is it clear to all of you?
yes, ma'am.
So children, those who are taking
part. One part is a number, the other part is a unit of the measurement. For example, if in activity 1, the length of the room is found to be 12 length of square feet, then 12 is the number and put pen is the unit selected for the measurement. Now
Yes.
study all the measurements in table 10.1 and 10.2. Are all the measurements for the room and give everybody please.
You had seen the video in your previous class. So there you see that what is the definition of unit. ठीक है. What is the definition of motion? How many types of motion takes place? ठीक है. So you have seen the video in your previous class. So now what is said that we see that measurement means the comparison of unknown quantity with some known quantity. You don't know the length of room, length and width of the room. You have to measure. Okay, you have to measure. So you just measure the what is unit. Okay, so measurement means comparison of unknown quantity with some known quantity, and this known fixed quantity is called unit. Means आप अननोन क्वांटिटी का नोन क्वांटिटी के साथ कंपेयर करो. ठीक है. सो दिस फिक्स क्वांटिटी इज नोन एज यूनिट. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू मेजर दिस रूम एंड द रिजल्ट इज 12 लेंथ ऑफ योर फुट. ठीक है. इट इज रिटर्न if you are performing this activity 1 and you have to measure the length and width of the room. ठीक है. So the length of the room is found to be 12 length of your foot. Means अगर length of room जो होगा वो 12 length of your foot होगा. So 12 is the number and foot length is the unit. ठीक है. So unit में आपका सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, किलोमीटर, लीटर. ठीक है. These are the units. ठीक है. So one part is a number and the other part is the unit of measurement. Yes.
मैम वो जो टेबल 10.1 में
Sentence. The definition of unit is measurement means comparison of unknown quantity with known quantity. Okay. And this fixed quantity is called unit.
I already underlined.
ठीक है. Underline this sentence. And in unit, first one part is number and other part is unit. ठीक है. If for example if the length of room is 12 centimeter, ठीक है, 12 सेंटीमीटर, 15 सेंटीमीटर.
12 is number.
12 is the number and the
unit.
centimeter is unit. Is it clear?
Ma'am, in ancient time, what is the standard unit of length?
It's centimeter.
Ma'am, in ancient time.
Ancient time we just use gilli and danda, we just use ball and bat. ठीक है, and we use string, we just use foot step. ठीक है, to measure the length and breadth of the.
Ma'am, in making the homes, ma'am, there is, ma'am, जो मिस्त्री आती है.
Table 10.1 and table 10.2. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask